today's video, I am sharing with you all the current pattern and fabric sales that are happening now. Now for two... Welcome to my channel, Denise the Sloth Source. It's your girl Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning viewer, welcome back. If this is your first time clicking on my video, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel if you like any or everything about sewing, from me made reveals to behind the scenes to some sew alongs and my latest, my sweatshirt sewing series, where your girl showed the behind the scenes of me attaching a neckband, sleeves, and a cuff, y'all, along with a hem / waistband to my sweatshirt. I'm super excited on how it turned out. I will include the thumbnail of the last video. Now, if you're interested in following along with me, I did use simplicity pattern. I did use a simplicity pattern titled Simplicity 8070 while making this sweatshirt. So if you have that same pattern, you're interested in just the techniques of the neckband, the sleeves, and the cuffs, along with the hem, I highly suggest that you all head over and check that sew along out. It's a full playlist of it, so you can go from the beginning to the end, everyone, with it. All right, welcome new subscribers to the channel. I'm so glad that you all decided to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any videos or any pattern or fabric sales announcement. All right, y'all, and today, first of all, let's stop and pause. The weather here in South Carolina is beautiful. We should be in the 70s. I got my notes so that y'all can see it flying in the back today. So I'm out here in the homestead with the girls that they getting in, and the boy, me and Rue, short for Rue, so y'all see them back there having a good time, and our other girls, our gobbler girls. Y'all make sure y'all head over and check out my hubby channel, Big Bros DIY Homesteader. You all can see the behind the scenes of his DIY projects, along with some cooking videos and whatever else we get into on the homestead around here, and some life adventures too. You never know what you'll find over there on Big Bros DIY Homesteader channel. All right, everybody, in today's video, I am sharing with you all the current pattern and fabric sales that are happening now. Now, for two, I will share with you all the current pattern and fabric sales that are happening now. I will share the location, the sale dates, and the prices or percentages off. Here we go. Up first is the pattern sale. This is for all my vintage sewists out there. If you love a good old vintage pattern, vintage clothing, just vintage in general, and you like your girl, like to make it yourself, have a me-made wardrobe, this is for you. Up first, location, simplicity.com. What are the sale dates? It's happening now all the way through Thursday, February the 12th, 2026. You have until 11:59 p.m. EST time to get in on this vintage pattern sale. What patterns are on sale and their prices? Here we go. Patterns on sale. Gotta look at my notes so I make sure I don't miss anything for you all. First pattern, we got patterns on sale. Simplicity, McCall's, and Butterick Vintage Collection. Once again, Simplicity, McCall's, and Butterick Vintage Collections are on sale for only $5.99 each. All right, once again, it's $5.99 each. Now, however, if you say, girl, I'm going to wait till no vintage patterns are lower to about $4.99, I understand. Because guess what? I'm not participating, but I want to let you all know vintage patterns were on sale for only $5.99. This does not include the Vogue vintage patterns. This is only for Simplicity, McCall's, and Butterick Vintage Collection. All right, now let's switch gears. That's the pattern sale. If you all are shopping the pattern sale, I say enjoy. Enjoy those makes. Have an amazing time at simplicity.com. If you're not, I completely understand. It's a little bit pricey for me this time as well. So your girl gonna sit that out, but that's a personal reason. You do you, boo. Up next, I have two fabric sales to tell you all about, two of them. The first fabric sale, location, Fashion Mark Fabrics. Sale dates, now, end date, unknown. That's that sale I was telling you all about, but the end date is unknown. What fabrics are on sale? Sorry, y'all, don't get my walk on while I record with you all. What fabrics are on sale? Designer's fabric and shirting and blouse weights fabric are 65% off, y'all. So any of you all needing designer's fabric, shirting and blouse weights fabric, 65% off at Fabric Mart Fabrics. Now, while you're over there, don't forget, this is my first place I always check out, the clearance rack. If you're in a store, you can look at the clearance rack first, or in this case, the clearance fabric section. 70% off the clearance fabrics. Once again, 70% off clearance fabrics at Fabric Mart Fabrics. The second fabric sale that I would like to tell you all about. It is location Hobby Lobby. Sale dates now all the way through Saturday, February the 14th. Oh, Valentine's Day, y'all. All right, once again, sale dates now all the way through Saturday, February the 14th, 2026. I want to make me think about that Outkast song, y'all. Never mind, we ain't here for that, though. Here we go. Every day until gone. Clearance patterns. Malls and Know Me patterns on 50 cents. At Hobby Lobby until they're gone. So go ahead and grab those McCalls and Know Me patterns that you probably have been waiting for. Because last time I checked, when I went to Columbia, South Carolina, y'all, off of 2-notch, let's just say I only saw like 10 patterns. So it was slim to none. So if your Hobby Lobby got them in stock, make sure y'all grab them. Life on the Homestead. Y'all see it, right? Got me a little follower. All right, y'all. Now, let's talk about the current sale that is included in the sales day. The one that's happening from now all the way through Saturday, February the 14th. 30% off all fabrics at Hobby Lobby. 30% off all fabrics. 40% off all Fiskars, y'all. Fiskars, those are your scissors, your rotary cutters, your mats, all the Fiskars. 40% off. 50% off for all my jewelry makers. Your girl got you this time. I got you. 50% off jewelry making items. I'm talking about your strung. I'm talking about your tube and your package beads and your crystals are 50% off. Now, every day at Hobby Lobby, for those who may be aware of it, y'all know where to go get them nice and get those sewing notions for the low. Well, every day at Hobby Lobby, sewing notions are always 99 cents each. I'm talking about your zippers, your buttons, your bias tape, your piping, and your blanket binding. As long as you choose those marked $1.49 to $3.49. You can get those for 99 cents. All right, everybody. Those are all the pattern and fabric sales that I have for you all. Hopefully I didn't make y'all dizzy while I'm walking around the homestead, giving you all the sales announcement and just enjoying this beautiful weather. I hope the weather is amazing where you are. If not, let your girl know in the comment. What is your weather like for today? Mine is almost high. It's 70 degrees. So I'm out here enjoying every sun rays, everybody. All right, everyone. My motto is keep trying until you get it right. Denise the Sloth Sewers. Thank you all so much in advance for watching. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to leave your girl a thumbs up, like, and subscribe so that you don't miss a video. See y'all on the next one. Bye-bye. And enjoy the sales. Happy sewing.